After 16-year-old Cody Burns starts coughing up blood and bits of strange white tissue, his mother rushes him to Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. Now, Cody is struggling desperately to breathe. Doctors immediately prep him for a bronchoscopy, a procedure in which a tiny camera is inserted down the windpipe.
The definitive diagnosis of Cody came after a tissue was examined under a microscope and confirmed to be recurrent respiratory papillomatosis.
Recurrent respiratory papillomatosis, or RRP, is an extremely rare disease caused by the human papillomavirus. Normally, the virus, also known as HPV, causes cells to reproduce wildly, resulting in wart-like growths in the female genital area. But in some very unusual cases, the virus can attack the mucous membranes in the respiratory tract.